Here at 77X, Andrew Bellin is the first person. Michael Bellin is the second person. They're out of Pine City. Number 18 looks like, if I can read the number right, yes. That will be Cecilia Peterson in the first person. The second one is Kyle. It is Kyle Wiener, yes. We have confirmation from the Wiener chart. Cecilia Peterson and Kyle Wiener are in the 18X car. Next up is the 02. Okay, I'm sorry, yeah, 02. That's going to be Brittany Pirot and Dan Pirot out of York City. Number 24, Mitchell Meyer and Austin Zastrow. And I believe we're just waiting for one more and then we can get the two-man started. 47, husband and wife duo, Katie and Tim Peck, out of Grantsburg. This could spell some divorce papers right here. We're not sure. We'll see how they handle it. 3, 2, 1, smash them. That's it. We're gonna get confirmation here. All right, yeah, your first place winner is number 18, Cecilia Peterson and Kyle Wiener. Second place was number 2, Brittany Peralt and Dan Peralt. The drive shaft blew out. They are your top 2. Third place will go to 77, Andrew and Michael Bellin. One thing I want to point out here, because I know Tim and Katie Peck, married couple right up front here. There they are right there. This is a beauty part. They pulled the stick, and me and Bruce were watching them, and we're like, what do you do when you're a couple in the car and you got to pull the stick? Well, you light up a cigarette. You each light up a cigarette. You talk about the kids. Maybe be like, hey, do you want to go to the rendezvous later? Next thing you know, they're getting banged around in the wall here. They were just having a good old conversation, but yeah, Tim and Katie Peck, Grantsburg.